How to add another account on Snapchat. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Want to manage multiple Snapchat accounts on one phone? In this quick guide, I'll show you how to add another account on Snapchat easily. So let's get started. First, open Snapchat and tap your Bitmoji or profile icon in the top left corner. Next, hit the gear icon in the top right to access settings. Scroll down and tap Log Out. Don't worry, your account will stay safe. Once you are logged out, you will see the login screen. Tap Switch Account or Add Account at the bottom. This lets you add another Snapchat profile. Now, enter the credentials for your other account and tap Sign Up to create a new one. Once you are logged in, you can switch between accounts easily. Snapchat makes switching accounts simple. Tap the profile icon, then the username at the top and select the account you want. No need to log out every time. And there you have it. Managing multiple Snapchat accounts is a breeze. If you found this video helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and we will see you again in the next video.